Oh, look at that. There's freaking peanuts in there. There it is. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is the season of roof leaks. Is this thing on? No. Season of roof leaks. I can barely keep up with the demand. So I've got a customer calls me up, says her garage roof is leaking. It's an attached garage. You can see somebody's done some drywall repair in the garage. So that's where we're going to start. See if we can track it, get a decent starting location of the water intrusion, and then we'll get on the roof and see what we see up on that side. They were having leaks dripping right in front of these stairs, and you can see that there's someone cut an access hole and has repaired a bit of drywall. Kind of cool. They've got 3 lights wired up, switched from down below. They put some OSB down. Oh, I didn't even know that. There's an actual attic access ladder right there. Probably never noticed that because when the garage is up, you can't see it. See, this is 1/2 inch here. It's supposed to be 5/8 to have a fire rating. I'm going to pull this off and see what we see up there. Another thing that's technically supposed to be here to create the fire rating is supposed to be sealed tightly. You can see the other side, the joint compound goes up right up and is probably taped to the actual rafter truss. When they did their repair here, they didn't tape it back in to give it its fire rating. Yeah, the last one. I see quite a bit of water staining right here along this line here. You can see that this has been an issue before. They cut out this board to access this, and I'm not gonna find much from the inside of the house. Got some staining, a little bit of water staining right there. Let me put my headlamp on. Staining on that nail or staple there. We've got some more water staining right there. This outlet here actually goes into the master bedroom wall. So that's the master bedroom wall right there. Okay, as we climb up here, I'm already planning on finding some kind of repair. I've got some issues around the window. I'll get that caulked in. This window looks like it probably leaked because this is caulking that was put on after the last paint job. Yeah, you can see they've been messing around with this for a long time. Still not sure that this would be the cause of the roof leak. It is possible though. Get the right driving rain. These are supposed to be flashed around everything so that if water does penetrate around here, it goes down and it's lapped to the outside of the house, which it's actually doing. It's not getting inside that wall cavity, it's coming down this side here. Could be getting in, coming down behind the siding, and on top of this flashing. I'll get the camera down in there so you can see what I'm talking about when I say step flashing. Well, this is step flashing. These are overlapped, so when water comes and hits here, it goes down. And this all looks really good. No shiners, no torn shingles. Got a feeling it's gonna be that window. Going over the house, this actually came right off from around the window, and right here is another spot that water could get into. So right in there, that black is the felt paper. So I'll seal that up. These here are face nailed. Oops, sorry. These are face nailed, and still the sealant that's put on these looks really good. Looks like they jammed a whole bunch of sealant up into this part. The more I'm digging into this, the more I'm thinking it definitely is this window. You can see I just started scraping off some of the old. This is it's a composite type wood put on back in the 90s. You can see that this caulking is no longer attached, and the proper solution here is at a later date schedule all this trim to be pulled off around the window. The Z flashing can stay. Yeah, pull this all off and maybe use a different wood type product, siding product, to remove the rot. Look at that. Yeah, lovely. Look at that. But yeah, to remove the rot, get everything sealed up properly. This has definitely been an ongoing issue for the past owner. Big stretch. Caulk and seal your windows, doors, and siding. Some pretty good stuff. A little on the pricey side, but definitely worth it. I wonder if their home inspector saw this. This house was supposed to have a home inspection when they purchased it. This is something that would jump out at me if I was a home inspector, and it should have been on the report. Major evidence of a leak, ongoing leak. It's home inspectors for you. Okay, this is what we're working with here. Definitely water was getting in here. The other side, it doesn't look so bad. It's completely sealed and not getting any water in. This is it all cleaned out. Took about 5 minutes. Always clean the roof off. A lot of roofers don't do that. And I hear about it. Back when I was a superintendent, we'd have roof repairs all the time. And they would leave a mess on the roof. But you got a nice big window here. The customer is going to come look out the window and see all this crap here. So I will pick it all up, use this as a bucket, and then vacuum it right off, or I can flip this around and use it as a blower to get some of the fine dust just blown out into the atmosphere. I wanted to bring you back over to the area that's leaking. This is the peak. The window is right above this. Obviously there's no OSB, no exterior plywood on this face here. It comes down and meets this OSB. And then there's flashing. So somehow it's getting through here though. This is definitely water staining. Definitely water staining there. You didn't think I forgot about this one, did you? Just gonna use some Henry crystal clear roofing sealant, all purpose. But we're gonna just squirt this baby right on up in there. As I'm getting down off the roof, kind of noticed a bunch of debris in the gutter right next to the downspout. There's a little bit of a dam built up in front of that. Oh boy. It could even be clogged. Oh, look at that. There's freaking peanuts in there. Huh. Now you get enough peanuts in your downspout. Probably the neighbors feeding the damn squirrels. Here's the mess of peanuts and mud that was in the downspout. You see down in there, clean and clear. Of course, there's a lot of sludge buildup. May tell them they need to clean their gutters. Get a hose up here, get all that mud blown out, so it doesn't collect up in your downspout and make some peanut bricks.
Hit that like button! Woo! Smash it! Hammer that like button!